Yes, for those of you who want to make money, who want to do ritualists, who want to reach overnight, I want to let you know that if you come to me, Ikema Abba Ikema, aka Bala Laweze Chiffon, I will make you rich. I want you to stop going to Odumeje. Odumeje will not make you rich. I want you to stop going to Onyoru Jesus. Onyoru Jesus will never make you rich. I want you to stop eating raw fowl. They cannot make you rich. I want you to stop giving them ram. They cannot make you rich. Come to me, Ikema Abba Ikema, aka Baba Laweze Chiffon alias Ojaka Wongbo, one of Abreba. I will make you rich overnight. Let me show you how you will be rich overnight if you come to me. I will make you rich overnight. I will do that ritualist you want to do without blood. I will do that ritualist you want to do without killing your mother and your father. I will do that ritualist that you want to do without taking your sister, even yourself that want to do it. But I will show you the way you will do ritualists that you will enjoy all the days of your life, even though you are going to stay for 130 years. You will not die and eat that money all the days of your life. Then when you finally die after you live 130 years, your children will be continue to eat that money. The way to do ritualists: stop going to Odumeje. Odumeje will do you to hellfire. Stop going to Onyoru Jesus. They cannot give you money. I, Ikema Abba Ikema, I will do ritualists that you will make money overnight. Listen to me. This is only way you will be prosper, that I will show you. Listen to me very well as you are listening to this video now. Listen carefully. This is my own rule and regulation, what you will do, and you will make money overnight. Listen to me. When you come to me, Ikema Abba Ikema, aka Baba Laweze Chiffon alias Ojaka Wongbo, one of Abreba. When you come to me, you will register with 100,000 naira. That is what you will bring to me. Then I will take you to my shrine. Then when we go to my shrine, you will only hold 200 or 300,000 naira, depending the money that is remaining with you after you are bringing 100,000 to me. Then we will enter 9 bus. That 9 bus will take us to my shrine, where my shrine is being located, because I am living in Lagos permanently, but my shrine is in Aba. Call my phone number if you are interested. My phone number is 080 38 10 93 72. I repeat again, 080 38 10 93 72. Call my phone number. I will take you to my shrine located in Aba, but I'm living in Lagos. My shrine is located in Aba. We will enter 9 bus. When we enter 9 bus, when we get to Abangwa, I will take you to where my shrine is being located, Ayohunu. When I take you to Ayohunu, where my shrine is being located, that money that you came with, whether 100,000 or 200,000, I will take you around Ayohunu. You will pick any kind of choice of material. I will pick for you because you don't know it. I will buy material for you. When I buy material for you, we will come back to Lagos. When we come back to Lagos, then I will show you the design that you will use that material to sew and design. Where you sew it finish, I will even bring tailors for you that will design it for you. When you design all those material finish, whether gown, whether skirt, whether trouser, whether jumpsuit, any kind of design that I will show you that I know that is moving market. When you design it finish, then 5 o'clock early morning, you will carry it and come to Yaba Market, where my second shrine is being located. When you market it, that is where you are going to make money. When you market all those designs we sell, when we finish it, you could make the cost price. It may be 1,000 in your hand. You now begin to sell them 1,500 naira. That 500 naira again times 1,000 pieces. My brother, I'm going to check any. This ritual that I'm taking you to, it will not kill you. The ritual will make you rich. Not the ritual that will tell you to bring ebulu, to bring ram, to come and eat raw fowl. fowl, to come and eat all those rubbish. Those ones, they will take your life after 3 years or 2 years. That is why the Bible says, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? My brother, come to me. I will show you a simple ritual that cannot take blood, ritual that cannot take your mother, ritual that cannot take your father, ritualists that cannot even take yourself, but you will begin to make money day by day. You begin to make money every day, gradually by gradually. Before you know it, you will become rich man overnight. Stop going to Dumeje. Stop going to Onion Saw Jesus. Stop eating raw fowl. Stop doing all the rubbish. It will not lead you to anywhere. Neither it will lead you to hell fire. My brothers and my sisters, as you see this video, kindly send it to those people that want to be rich overnight. Kindly send it to those 14 years, 15 years, 22 years boy that have never seen anything in this life, but they want to butelike, they want to carry power, they want to make money overnight. They will die, perish after 2 or 3 years, and that money will not prosper them to anywhere. Come to me. Come to me. Ikema aba ikema eke baba laulau. Eze shifon ala sojaka gongbo wana fabreba. I will take you to my shrine located in Aba, Ayohono, and Ariaria market. I will take you there. I will show you the material you will buy. With that money you bring, I will take you to my tailor located in the Yaba. They will sew it for you, design it for you. When they design it for you, finish, you will bring it to Yaba in the morning, early morning, where customers used to come and buy them. When they come and buy them, you will make money. You will make money that will not give you sorrow, money that will not give you tears, money that will not bring sorrow to your family. That is the only ritual you can do. That is the only ritual you can do and become somebody in life. As you see this video, send it out. Send it out. If you send it, the Lord will bless you. My shrine will bless you. I will bless you. Stop going to Dumeje. Stop going to Onion Saw Jesus, that naked people in the water. Stop going to Onion Saw Jesus, that naked people in the water. Naked women and men in the water, collecting ram from their hand, eating and buying car, and they are doing you people 419, but you don't know. As you see this video, send it. Your life will never remain the same.